In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Grok AI images. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to write a clear prompt so the AI generates the kind of image you have in mind. First, open the Grok website in your browser. Give the page a second to load so everything initializes properly. You're looking for the Imagine option. This is the part of Grok that focuses on image generation, and it's designed to be simple and fast. Click Imagine to move into the creative workspace. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar or prompt field. This is where the magic happens. Think of your prompt as instructions you're giving a very talented artist who takes everything literally. The clearer you are, the better the results. You can be casual and simple, or you can be very descriptive. Both approaches work. The key is to communicate what you want to see. Now, go ahead and enter your prompt. For this walkthrough, let's use a straightforward example. Make an image about cats. You can type it just like that. If you'd like to guide the style or mood, you can add a few details in the same sentence without changing the overall process. For example, you might say you want playful kittens in a sunny room, or a realistic portrait of a sleek black cat with bright green eyes, or even a whimsical cartoon of a cat astronaut floating in space. You're not adding extra steps. You're just refining your idea in the same prompt field. As the image is being created, remember that specificity can help the AI interpret your vision. Mentioning colors, lighting, setting, or artistic style in the same prompt can nudge the result in the right direction. If you prefer to keep it open-ended, a short prompt like "make an image about cats" will allow the model to surprise you with its interpretation. If the first image isn't quite what you wanted, you can edit your prompt right there and try again. Keep what you like and tweak what you don't. For example, if you loved the composition but wanted brighter lighting, add that note to your prompt. If you wanted a different vibe, like cozy or dramatic, say so in your next attempt. Small, clear adjustments often lead to big improvements. That's all there is to it. Open the Grok website, click Imagine, and enter your prompt. Make an image about cats or anything else you can dream up. Have fun exploring different ideas and let your creativity guide the words you type.